Hey guys, we're going to show you how to create a reference URL in ActiveChat. And so I'm here and I want to go to this quote skill here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and I'm going to go to settings, and then I'm going to click Grow Tools. When I click Grow Tools, I'll need to have it attached obviously to a page. And so once I do that, I'm going to click Messenger Link and Code. And then right in here is where I'm actually going to put in the skill that I want to go to. And I want to go to quote. And so now I have this code right here. Facebook mentioned they're going to discontinue this messenger code, so I wouldn't worry about pushing those too hard. But now I have this link right here, and I can use any number of link shorteners, link wizard, things like that to make this a smart link. But now when I click that link, I can also embed that into a button, which was where the specific question came from. It'll say, and it'll send me specifically to that particular skill. So hopefully this gives you a little bit of insight on how to easily create those reference URLs. And if you have more questions, just send them over.